All around us, in nearly every corner of our planet, lives a fascinating group of mammals. They are known as the Lagomorphs. This name might sound a little unfamiliar, but the animals themselves are quite well known. They are the rabbits, the hares, and the pikas. For a long time, people thought they were rodents like squirrels or mice. But they are quite different. They belong to their very own special order, Lagomorpha. These creatures, though often small and shy, have managed to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth, from scorching deserts to frozen mountaintops. They are a testament to nature's incredible ability to adapt and survive. What makes a lagomorph a lagomorph? One of the most important clues is in their teeth. Unlike rodents, which have only one pair of incisors front teeth in their upper jaw, lagomorphs have two. Just behind their large, prominent front teeth, there is a second, smaller pair. These are often called peg teeth. This unique dental arrangement is one of the key features that scientists use to tell them apart from all other mammals. It is a small detail, but it tells a big story about their evolutionary journey and how they have adapted to a life of constant grazing on tough plant material. These animals are found almost everywhere. Their ability to live in so many different places is truly remarkable. You might see a rabbit hopping across a green meadow in Europe, or perhaps you could spot a hare dashing across the vast, open plains of Africa. High up in the Rocky Mountains of Asia and North America, the little Pika scurries between boulders, gathering food for the long winter ahead. Their widespread presence shows just how successful this group of animals has been. They have colonized continents and adapted to climates that would be impossible for many other species to endure. The story of the Lagomorphs is a quiet one, often unfolding just out of our sight. They are creatures of dawn and dusk, moving carefully to avoid the many predators that hunt them. They are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Their entire lives are built around finding enough food to eat while staying safe. This constant balance between eating and being eaten has shaped their bodies, their behavior, and their place in the natural world. Exploring their world reveals a delicate and intricate web of life where even the smallest creature plays a crucial part. Within the Lagomorph order, there are three distinct families, each with its own unique way of life. The most familiar, perhaps, are the rabbits. Rabbits are known for being social animals. They often live together in large groups, in complex underground tunnel systems called warrens. When a rabbit is born, it is completely helpless. It is born blind, without fur, and relies entirely on its mother for warmth and food in the safety of a soft, fur-lined nest. This gentle start in life is typical for all rabbit species, from the European rabbit to the American cottontail. Then we have the hares. Hares look quite similar to rabbits, but they are different in some very important ways. They are generally larger than rabbits, with longer ears and more powerful hind legs. Unlike the social rabbit, hares are mostly solitary creatures. They do not dig burrows to live in. Instead, they make simple nests in shallow depressions on the ground called forms. A baby hare, or leveret, is born ready to face the world. It enters life fully furred, with its eyes wide open, and it can run within just a few hours of its birth, a vital skill for surviving in the open. The third group is the pikas, which might be the least known of the lagomorphs. Pikas look very different from their rabbit and hare cousins. They are small, round-bodied creatures with short legs and small, rounded ears. They look more like a guinea pig than a rabbit. Pikas are true mountain dwellers, living high up on rocky slopes known as talus fields in Asia and North America. They do not hibernate during the harsh winters. Instead, they spend the entire summer busily gathering flowers and grasses, which they pile up into haystacks to dry in the sun, creating a food supply to last them through the snowy months. Each of these three groups shows a different strategy for survival. The rabbits choose safety in numbers and the security of an underground home. The hares rely on their incredible speed and camouflage to escape from danger out in the open. And the pikas depend on their tireless hard work and foresight to prepare for the challenges of a long, cold winter. These differences in behavior and lifestyle are what make each family so special. They are all lagomorphs, connected by their shared ancestry, but they have each found their own unique path to survival in the great, wide world. The bodies of lagomorphs are perfectly designed for their way of life. One of their most noticeable features is their very long ears. These ears are not just for show, they are incredible tools for survival. They act like large satellite dishes, able to turn and pivot to catch the faintest of sounds. This allows a rabbit or hare to hear a predator approaching from a great distance, giving it precious seconds to escape. But the ears have another job too. They are filled with many tiny blood vessels, and they help the animal to cool down in hot weather by releasing excess body heat into the air. Another key feature is their powerful hind legs. You only need to watch a hare bound across a field to see how strong these legs are. They are much longer and more muscular than their front legs. This design is what makes them such fantastic runners and jumpers. When a predator gives chase, a lagomorph can explode into a burst of speed, zigzagging to confuse its pursuer. Rabbits use these same strong legs for another purpose: digging. They can excavate extensive burrow systems with surprising speed, creating a safe haven from dangers above ground and a cozy place to raise their young. Their senses are also finely tuned for a life of constant vigilance. Their large eyes are positioned high up on the sides of their heads. This placement gives them an almost 360-degree field of vision. It means they can see what is happening behind them and to their sides without even turning their heads. Their twitching noses are also constantly at work, sampling the air for the scent of danger or the smell of a tasty plant. This combination of excellent hearing, wide vision, and a keen sense of smell makes them incredibly aware of their surroundings at all times. Even their digestive system is special. Plants can be very difficult to digest and do not provide a lot of nutrition. To get the most out of their food, lagomorphs do something quite unusual. They produce two types of droppings. One is hard and dry, and the other is soft and moist. They eat these soft droppings, which are called cecotropes. This process, known as coprophagy, allows them to digest their food a second time, absorbing all vital nutrients that were missed the first time around. It is a clever, if surprising, way to make sure no goodness from their food goes to waste. Lagomorphs may be small, but their importance in nature is immense. They are a fundamental part of the food web in almost every ecosystem they inhabit. Because they are so numerous, they serve as a primary food source for a huge variety of predators. Eagles, hawks, owls, foxes, coyotes, and wildcats all depend on rabbits, hares, and pikas for their survival. The health and population size of these predator species are often directly linked to the availability of lagomorphs. In this way, these small herbivores support the entire structure of the ecosystems they are part of. Their behavior also helps to shape the landscape itself. Their constant grazing helps to control the growth of certain plants. By nibbling on grasses and shrubs, they prevent any single plant species from becoming too dominant, which helps to maintain a healthy diversity of plant life in a habitat. The digging activities of rabbits are also very important. Their burrows help to turn over and aerate the soil, which improves its quality. And when these burrows are abandoned, they provide ready-made homes for other animals such as snakes, lizards, and small mammals. Unfortunately, like so many animals today, many lagomorph species are facing threats. Habitat loss is a major problem as human development expands into the wild places where they live. Climate change is also a serious concern, especially for species like the American pika. These mountain dwellers are adapted to cold temperatures, and as the planet warms, their high-altitude homes are shrinking. They cannot simply move further up the mountain. Their plight serves as a sensitive indicator of the health of our planet's mountain ecosystems. Protecting them means protecting these fragile environments. In the end, the world of lagomorphs is one of quiet resilience and surprising complexity. From the social rabbit in its warren to the speedy hare on the plain and the industrious pika in the mountains, each has a role to play. They are more than just cute creatures with long ears. They are essential threads in the rich tapestry of life on Earth. They remind us that every animal, no matter how small or common it may seem, is a vital part of the whole. And by understanding and appreciating their world, we can better understand and appreciate our own.